Hi, I'm Veni from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. Today I came up with some interesting topic. I think everyone is familiar with this one, that is Emergency SOS. Now I'm going to show you how to enable this and how to use it. Mostly in the situation we are unable to call to our beloved ones, this option definitely help us to rescue from these emergency situations. Now let's get into the video. For this, you go to settings on your phone and type SOS on search bar, and you find the option Emergency SOS. Here it is, and click on that option. You get again click Emergency SOS and click on emergency numbers. You can add any number of your contacts. Here I'm showing how to add contacts. Here you can see that add any contact that you want to call in, mostly at the emergency situations. And it also provide emergency SOS messages and attach photos of surroundings, and also attach a 5-second audio of your surroundings also. Here I'm enabling all the SOS features. Here you can see that I'm enable anything, and I'm going to tell you how to use this in emergency. You have to click your volume button 3 times rapidly, then it will take you to the emergency contacts which one you are added recently. Here I'm not unable to show this because the emergency service does not provide any screenshots or screen recording option. This feature also allows us to send location of ours, and also it provides SOS flashlight, that is it blinks all the time, and also beep sound, that buzz sound. You can also install a third-party application like SOS. Here I'm showing SOS Alert app, which is the lowest MB and highest rating. You can see that now you have to read the instructions and click on that got it, and add registered mobile number, which number you want to give emergency alerts. You can also add up to 5 numbers, and again get back to the app. You can also add SOS message alert, and this is up to 200 characters. Now get back from the app. You can always put this on home screen for easily available. And then here I'm showing how to enable this. Just click on the SOS red icon. You can click here. It will automatically send alert to the number which we had already added. If you want more technical and gaming related information, please visit our site gossipfunda.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do like, share and comment below. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. So don't get delay. Try to enable this as much as possible. And this simple thing helps us in emergency situation. Thank you for watching.